Hello, children. Yesterday we started a new chapter which is multiplication, division, and their applications. In this chapter, we learned how to multiply and how to divide. Let's move on. Writing the remainder as a fraction. You have learned in class 4th when you solve a division problem and get a remainder in the answer, you may or may not use the remainder in the answer depending upon the questions. Sometimes you may need to show the remainder as a fraction, like 7 upon 4. So let's see an example. Samar and Suraj went for a walk of a peace program. If they traveled 189 kilometers over 11 days, how many kilometers did they walk in a day if they walked the same distance all the days? Let's see. We are going to divide 189 by 11. So 189 divided by 11. So 11 ones are 11. We minus 18 minus 11. We get the answer as 7. Then we bring this 9 down. It becomes 79. 11 sevens are 77. Minus it and we get the remainder as 2. Here the question shows us how many whole miles they walk each day. Like this. 17 they travel the whole miles. The remainder shows 2 kilometers, which was also covered by them during the 11 days of walking that cannot be ignored. Now, how are we going to write this? So, we show that information as 2 upon 11, remainder upon divisor. Problem solving. In this problem solving, we will decide which operations to do. Example, multiplication or division. Now, steps for problem solving. Read the question. Okay, read the questions carefully. Understand the question. Decide which operation to do, like multiplication or division. Solve the problem and find out the answer. Let's see the example. Shireen can read 27 pages of her book in 1 hour. How many pages can she read in 7 hours? Let's see the solution. Number of pages read in 1 hour, 27. Number of pages read in 7 hours is equal to 27 into 7 gives you 189 pages. So how many pages she read in 7 hours? Yes, she reads 189 pages in 7 hours. Next example. Shagufta's mother drives 17 kilometers every day to and from work. If she works 23 days a month, how many kilometers does she drive in a month? Let's see the solution. Distance traveled every day, 17 kilometers. Number of days worked in a month, 23. So therefore, number of total distance traveled, which is equal to 17 into 23 gives you 391 kilometers. So how many kilometers does her mother travels? Yes, she travels 391 kilometers in a month. One more example. An office paid rupees 6,260 for 5 new desks. How much did each desk cost? Let's see the solution. Cost of 5 desks 6,260. So therefore cost of one desk is equal to 6,260 divided by 5. When we divide, we get the answer as 1,252. So what is the cost of each desk? 1,252. One more example. A teacher had 60 books to correct. If she can correct 12 books in 1 hour, how many hours does she need to correct all the books? Let's see the solution. Number of books corrected in 1 hour, 12. So therefore, time required to correct 60 books is equal to 60 divided by 12. We get the answer as 5 hours. So how many hours will be needed? Yes, the teacher needs 5 hours to correct the 60 books. So if you have understood all this, do the assignments for practice. Thank you.